show you a magic today. So as you can see in my HubSpot CRM, I have only a single contact. And over here in the spreadsheet, I have the details of n number of customers. Now I want to create a contact for all of these customers in this HubSpot CRM without any manual intervention. So for that, I'm going to just do 2 clicks. Go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then send all data. Now it is saying working, so let's wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, automatically multiple contacts will be created in my HubSpot CRM. I just have to refresh this contact list and you're going to see multiple contacts are getting created one by one. Right now we have 4, but once again, if I'm just going to refresh this, the contacts will be more, like 7, 8, and one by one the contacts are getting created. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to learn in today's video. So in this video, I'll show you how you can add multiple contacts to HubSpot at once and in a single click. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of contacts for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. It is attached right over here in the left side corner. You can check it out. This discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, but first try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful for you, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this discount coupon code. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Google Sheets and select it right over here. After you select Google Sheets as your application, for the event you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You are going to receive this webhook URL. Alright, so now you just have to copy this webhook URL and open your sheets for which you want to create this automation. Go on this extensions, add-ons, and then go towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So once you're going to click on this add-ons, a window something like this will appear in front of you. Now you have to search for the app right over here, which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure to install this extension. As you can see, I have already installed it. Once you install this extension, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important that you refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here in extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So as you know that we have received this webhook URL, so we just have to paste this same URL right over here. And now for the trigger column, enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is D, but for you it can be anything else too. It totally depends upon your spreadsheet. I want to send 4 details, so it is D. If you want to send 3 details, it will be C, and so on. After you enter the webhook URL and the trigger column, click on this submit. Once you click on this submit, it is going to say setup configured successfully. So setup configured successfully means that we have successfully created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test button. Once you click on this send test button, it is saying test data sent successfully. This means that we have successfully completed the test submission. Now let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response right over here. As you can see, we have captured this first row details right over here as the test response. And now let's create the HubSpot contact using the same. For that, you have to close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for HubSpot CRM and select HubSpot CRM. For the event, select it as create a contact and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. After you click click on this, make sure that your HubSpot CRM is connected, or you can say logged in before starting with this automation. In your account, it should be logged in. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only going to get this option to choose the account. So once you get this option to choose the account, just click on this choose account button. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Give Pabbly all the permissions, and your HubSpot CRM will be connected with Pabbly Connect. It is very easy if your HubSpot account is already logged in before starting with the automation. Now it is asking me for many details, but first of all, I'll just let you know that we are only going to fill in the details which I want to fill in or are required. Like this email address, I want to enter this email address of the contacts. For that, I'm just going to enter it. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to put a slash, and then we have to search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. So let's put a slash, search for the detail which we wish to map and map it like this. And after we map the details, we can move on further. Now I'm just going to map this phone number. It is asking me for many other details, but I'm just going to ignore this and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is saying contact already exists. Yes, because the contact was already created. So let's just first delete this contact right from here, and then we're going to click on this save and send test request. Alright, so as you can see, I've deleted this. Now let's click on the save and send test request, and once I'm going to click on this, yes, you can see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added this. So let's open our contact section of this HubSpot, and you're going to see yes, contact is added using the same details right over here, which is smart user. So let's just refresh this contact list, and you're going to see yes, over here are the details. Alright, so now with this we have successfully completed this workflow, but the objective was not only to create a single contact but add all the details right over here in a HubSpot CRM. So for that, you have to go towards this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then send all data. All this data will be sent towards your workflow, and then further the contact will be created for the same in the HubSpot CRM in a single click. Further, if you want that if you add new details and the contact should be created for that too, then go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any doubts, queries, you can drop them in the comment section below. For your reference, we have attached the workflow URL in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.